Hey guys, hey, it's Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer and I'm here to teach you how to retarget. There's a new way of retargeting, especially if you want to retarget people that initially looked at a product, but you want them to basically buy that same product, but further down the line. Guys, it's a really cool hack. It's been working for me and I just wanted to share it with you guys so you guys can do it. So guys, let's not waste any time and I'll show you. Let's go. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to, there's another way to retarget, right? Especially if you want to retarget people that have already looked at a specific product, right? And I feel this type of retargeting is very effective because it enables you to upsell, to cross-sell, as well as you can even add in combinations as well. So, for your retargeting, guys, you need to choose catalog sales. Yeah, you need to choose catalog sales. But guys, before I go on, make sure that all your products are uploaded to your catalog. They're accurately named, the links, the prices, everything is all good, right? Because in order for this strategy to work, you want to make sure that all your products are uploaded to your catalog and it's the right prices and all that stuff. If not, this isn't going to work. So please make sure that all your products are uploaded to your catalog for your Facebook as well as your Instagram shop. So when you want to do retargeting and you want to do retarget people that added to cart but didn't purchase, you want to retarget people that bought from you before, but you want to upsell them on something else, or you want to target people that bought from you before, but you want to cross-sell, this is the way to do it. So select catalog sales. Then once you've selected this, all you got to do is click next. Next right here. Perfect. So you're going to come to this ad set level right here, right? Now, if we scroll down, and guys, bear in mind that this is a dummy Facebook account, right? So you're going to see like some error messages and stuff like that. Like with dummy Facebook accounts, that's how it always is. So for you guys, it's going to be, you're going to have like your product sets and all that. So guys, in this section right here, where it says promoted products, right? And product set, this is where you want to select your catalog. You want to select your catalog. So if you click on this little arrow here, and it's going to give you options of your different product sets that you've created inside of your catalog. Then scroll down. You want to select your daily budget. And right here, when you come to audience, right here, you want to select retarget ads to people who interacted with your products on and off Facebook. So people, have you ever wondered, like you look at an ad, you look at a product, right? And then you don't add to cart or you come away, but you see that same product again. This is how it's being done. This is how it's being done, right? So it's pretty much using that information from the algorithm and all that to pretty much show you what you already had interest in initially. So select retarget ads to people. This option right here, not this one, this one. You're targeting a warm audience, but they didn't convert for some reason. And once you've selected this, you're going to be given all these different options right here. Viewed or added to cart, but didn't purchase. Added to cart, but didn't purchase. Upsell products, cross-sell products, custom combination. And guys, check this. Every single one of these has promote products from this catalog. Can you see? Same one here. That's why it's important to make sure you got your product catalog set up for this to work effectively. Where people will be like, yo, they'll see your ad, they'll see the ad, they'll be like, oh yeah, I was literally just looking at this this particular t-shirt, I was thinking of getting it, and then boom, they hit with that again. Yeah, so this is how it's done. So you want to products. So it's going to promote products from your catalog. Now, if you were to choose viewed or added to cart but didn't purchase, here you can change the days. You can do in the past 20 days, in the past 30 days, in the past 7 days. That's one way to do it, right? So the people that will see your ads will be people who viewed or added to cart but didn't purchase, they didn't buy. But they'll be seeing products in the catalog that they initially saw before, but didn't purchase yet. Same thing. So that's one option. And bear in mind that you can only choose one. You can't choose like loads, all of them. You can only choose one at a time. Yeah. So, but I'm going to go through each one. So viewed or added to cart, but didn't purchase. Now the next one, added to cart, but didn't purchase. That's another option. So the people that will be seeing your ads will be people that have added to cart, but didn't purchase, especially products from this product catalog. Same thing as before. You can change the days. So the people that added to cart in the past 30 days but didn't purchase, that's another option. So you can toggle the days on how you see fit. I tend to do 7 days, 10 days, 30 days, or 60 days. Right? You want to definitely test all of these days. Why? Because you want to see the drop off. You want to see which one of those days are performing a lot better and which one of those days are performing worse. The days that are performing worse, so say if in the past 60 days they're performing worse, that means there's a drop off. So you want to make sure that you have a very strong offer in order to capture people earlier on in the days. Because obviously it's understandable when people see your products, life happens, they'll forget, they'll probably find something else, they'll find another product. Like, it happens. That's why when it comes to retargeting, you want to get people earlier in their buying journey. Obviously later works depending on the price of the products and stuff like that. But I tend to find that when you retarget to people earlier in their journey, your products or your brand is still fresh in their mind. Because that's all it is. People buy from brands that they connect with and buy from brands that they remember. That is it. Right? Like, just on a slight tangent, guys, like, you're probably wondering, oh, why does Coca-Cola, for example, always advertise? Why are they still advertising? Because if they stop advertising, we forget. Because once we forget, another brand is going to come along and take up space in our memories. So remember that, guys. Remember that, especially when it comes to retargeting. People buy from brands and businesses they feel connected to, and brands and businesses that they remember. Remember that, guys. Yeah. So if you wanted to target people that added to cart but didn't purchase, so there's another option. Another option is to upsell products. Again, you need the catalog for this, right? This is super, super important. Like, the product catalogs are at the center of this strategy. They're at the center of it. If you don't have the product catalog, this strategy won't work well. And here, if you select a product, you can select the products that people tend to upsell, or you can select a product that is connected to the product that they purchased already. So where, like, for example, say if someone's bought, I don't know, a t-shirt, for example, then you can sell the sunglasses or something like that, where it's a product that's in connection. So if I have this product, I might as well buy this product because I can use these products together. Yeah. And again, you can toggle the days on how you see fit. The next one, cross-sell products. Again, same thing, right? In your catalog, you can select the products that you want to cross-sell with. a lot of people think that, oh, people buy a product once and that's it. But really, people, the buying that product once is the gateway to buying more products. That's why people or customers who have bought from you already, they're much easier to sell to, because they know your brand. They know that, okay, cool, this is your offering, this is your collection. So when you come out with new stuff and you send them an email, or send them an ad saying, hey, we've come out with this new, they're more likely to buy it, because they're aware that, oh, instead of me going somewhere else, it's a lot easier for me to go to this brand that I know and trust already to buy something else in addition to what I've bought already. Yeah. And the last one, guys, custom combination. This one's interesting, guys. So if you select here, you can choose interacted with products from. Again, you can choose the product set. But also, guys, look, you can also customize the audience interaction with that product. So here we've got product, purchased, add inclusion. So we can change this to viewed. And then I could add an inclusion like they added to cart. So I could say, so basically I'm saying, target people who viewed the product from this product set, added to cart, but did not purchase. Or so viewed in the last 14 days, added to cart in the last 10 days, but didn't purchase in the last 10 days. And again, you can toggle these days and change these days around. So when you turn on custom combination, that your ads are going to be shown to people that have followed these interactions in your product set, in your catalog. So you're more likely to get more conversions because it's following a set of behaviors: people who viewed, people who added to cart, and people who didn't purchase. You can even take out an interaction like this. So if you want to just do people who viewed but didn't purchase, you could do it. So in this instance, it will be people who viewed your product but didn't purchase. Forget it, add to cart, forget it. They viewed it but didn't purchase. Right? So by making different types of combinations, you'll be able to see, all right, which type of audience interaction where am I losing the customer in how the customer interacts with my product or brand? Where is that drop off happening? And the best way to find that is by doing it through this way. Because viewed, okay, if you put in add to cart, people who added to cart but didn't buy the purchase, cool. So now we're only targeting people that add to cart but didn't purchase, right? But if we're seeing that, oh wait, but people are viewing it, but they're not even adding to cart, what is happening? We want those people to add our products to cart, right? To eventually go into purchase. By changing around these audience interactions, you will see, okay, cool, this way of this combination of interactions is what is stopping me from getting the sale. And once you crack this and the way your audience interacts with your product, especially in your catalog, you'll be able to reclaim those lost sales you would have lost on their first interaction. But one thing for sure, with the days, you want to make those days as early as you can. Because again, people forget. People forget. Because there's so much choice out there. So guys, this is the way to do one of the ways to do your retargeting, right? To basically give it a little bit of automation, yeah. By selecting the catalog sales objective, and choosing any one of these options and testing it and seeing which one of them are bringing you the sales more successfully at a good ROI. Yeah. But again, as I've mentioned before, for this to work, please make sure that your products, the services, or whatever you're selling is uploaded to the product catalog, because without it, this way of doing it isn't going to work. And I like this way of doing it because it's much more interactive. Whereas if you were to do it the other way, as in like manually putting in images, you may be putting in images that the customer had no interest in in the first place. At least with this, it's actually products that they had interacted with initially already. So already, not only are you having a warm audience, you're getting a warm interaction with a particular product. And that's why doing it through this way is so much more effective. So guys, test this out in your Facebook ad strategy. And as usual, I'll be coming back with more tips, marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. I'll see you guys later. Take care.